rushed to Bellevue Hospital where he died. Police say the drunk driver's 49-year-old Michael Nicholson Leeds was arrested. Milligan was a junior and a biology major at NYU, originally from Jasper, Nevada. His high school swim team hosted his tribute for him to be all hearts and minds, thinks of all the great times. This person very lucky says he believed with his parents, family, and being blessed. Traffic safety advocates are calling for the state to allow New York City to lower speed limits again and to keep the city's speed cameras rolling 24/7. Intersection is no stranger to deadly accidents. Lost on transportation alternatives telling us that
Oh, you can't be an 80s singer. Christine, male type. Sorry for male acting. Male acting. Alright, sorry for male acting. Hello. You're like an 80. How you rock?